In this video, we're going to talk about the letter H in Arabic, which is ha. This one right here, ha. And we're also going to talk about the feminine ta. And by the way, this is not the ta, or the smiley face ta. This is different, and we use it for recognizing any feminine or feminine words in Arabic. What you're looking at right now are the shapes of the letters on the keyboard, in social media, internet, TV. Now for the H, the ha, okay, the ha, this is the initial, this is the end of the word ha. Then you have the initial ha, and after this you have the middle of the word ha and end of the word ha. Okay. Now let me go on how to write the end of the word ha. So it's only an oval looking shape, not a circular. It's just like a tiny bit of oval. Okay, tiny bit of oval. All right, that's a ha, end of the word ha. Okay. Now beginning of the word ha is, it can be written in multiple ways, but this is one of the easiest way right here. Okay, or that way. Okay, so two curves. All right, that's the beginning of the word. So if I want to write the initial with, no, hold on, we're not there yet, but initial of the word ha. Okay, just remember that. End of the word ha. Okay, now the ha can be connected to the left and the right of the letters. Okay, and this depends on what kind of letter that comes before or after, and whether the letter will be allowed to connect on the side, on the right side or left side. Don't worry about this part right now. I would definitely like you to, for this stage, just to focus on how to write the end of the word ha and the initial ha. Then next, the middle of the word ha. So the middle of the word ha can be a little bit tricky. Okay, so this is one way. The second way, you go like this. All right, it's like one of those heart monitoring pulses. So let's go back one more time. We're gonna write the middle of the word ha, so either that way, okay, or that way. Okay, that's the middle of the word ha. Now the second end of the word ha, this one right here, okay, and that one. So second end of the word ha is a line like this. Okay, all right, so one line. You don't do it like this, because that looks a little ugly. All right, according to the native eye or eyes. All right, this should be like this. Okay, it's like a little flag, basically. All right, little flag. All right, so again, if I want to go back and write this word right here, it's gonna go like this: initial, middle, then end. And one more time, initial. All right, then middle right here, that's second way, and end. All right, one more time just to make it a little bit bigger. Initial. All right, now you go middle, then end of the word. Okay, so just one more time right here, initial ha, then you go middle ha, then end of the word ha. Okay, and don't forget about the separated ha, in case it comes, if you watched the previous videos, in case it comes after, let's say, ra, r, ra, okay, or let's say de. All right, in case it comes like that, so you can connect it. You can use you're not allowed to use this one after this one. So whenever, if the word has a ha at the end, but before the ha you have the de or the ra, you use the circular ha, initial. All right, so this is the ha. Now when it comes to the te sound, the feminine sound right here, which is this one right here, this one has similar rules to a certain extent with the h. All right, with the ha. Okay, the only difference with this one, there is no middle. Okay, no middle on this one. Let me just make sure there are no middle. Let me see. This is what it looks like right here. Let me see if, as you can see, you could not connect it. Okay, to so there is no initial, neither middle of the word. See, there is no middle of the word te sound. All right. Okay, let's go back. All right. Now, so back to the te sound, the feminine ta. Okay, that one right here. To write it again, it's the same as the ha. The only difference, 2 dots on top. That's it. Okay. So the only initial, only end of the word, te, and okay, that's how it looks like. One more time. So if it's separated, let's say if it comes after wow, the letter wow, okay, it should be written like this. But if it comes after the letter b, okay, ba, and it becomes like this. And if you remember from previous videos, natives tend to use the short line to replace the 2 dots right here. Okay, one more time for the feminine te, this one right here. It's going to be a circle with 2 dots and circle like this. Okay, and that's if it comes after a letter that won't connect on the left. Now if it comes after a letter that connects, it should be written like, just like right here in this example, it should be written like this. Okay, like this with 2 dots. If you want to go with the dots, that's fine, but also remember the short line also represent 2 dots. The little arrow hidden, well, pointing to the top, that's also 3 dots. Okay, all right, so I hope this video was useful, and I'll see you in more future videos. Have a wonderful one.